This is a love reading for you, Aries, for November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for the love reading. And I'm going to do is a heart shape spread. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Aries as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. At the end of the video, I've attached one reel also, which which is my tarot shop and all the services I'm offering. And I have given the links for all the services in my description box. You can read it and then drop me a mail and book a reading. There is also a November newsletter which is made with a lot of love and effort. You want to download it, read it, share it with as many people. So let us see how's the guidance for you, Aries. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from, and how's overall the love reading? So, Aries, first of all, you both are workaholics and you both are very, very tuned into what needs to be done and how things are. So, none of you is over the top, or neither of you have doubts or any such thing in the love relationship. I'm just saying you both are very, very secure and focusing on what needs to be addressed or done today, or what are the plans for coming few weeks and some such thing. Some of you are working so hard and you are refusing to take a no as an answer. It's almost like you have worked so hard, or you're doing so much work, but you're not getting rewarded so well. So some of you are struggling. And on the other side, your partner seems to be receiving all the wealth, riches, good name, and travels for all the work that they are doing. So, there is no problem in the love relationship, but overall, your situations are very different. You may be dating someone very, very successful and well to do, Aries, and you are also doing a lot of work and you're showing a lot of talent and ability, but somehow the rich and the money and the fame is not coming along your way. While your partner may be willing to talk to you, you see your head is turned away. You are the one who right now does not want to talk about many things with your partner. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You both are very committed to having a very strong financial situation, and your strength is you come from a very supportive and a well to do family. Some of you have not taken any help from your family at all, and you're trying to create something for yourself entirely on your own. You come from a very, very loving and supportive family. The day you say it, that very minute, things will change. A lot of riches will come your way very quickly and very easy. But you want to do things on by yourself, and you're okay with the struggle. I see your partner at work, and he or she is also working very, very hard. And while a lot of people may be able to see all the fame, riches, good clothes, and all the polish, behind the scene, your partner is also working day and night. You both are amazingly hardworking people, and you don't take anything for granted, and least of all, a comfortable and good life. You both are working for it. Now, how do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You see your partner as an equal, and he or she understands you at a very in a very level headed way, and you both are quite into each other. So you see your partner as an equal, and that emotionally you both are very, very compatible. And I don't know what is happening here, but as a partner, you're feeling there is not much emotional compatibility, or that one of you is not able to, or that Aries is not able to understand you emotionally all that well. I don't know why The guidance is like this. Maybe because you're not talking, Aries, you're looking away, and you're not letting in your partner to hear or listen to all that you may have to say or whatever is going on. So you may, because you're shutting your partner out here, this is how it's, I'm also seeing your partner feels about you, that you're emotionally not compatible, or you don't share things, or you're not open about lot of things. So you want to work on this energy, Aries. So since your partner is very very approachable and will speak to you as and when, your impression about your partner is amazingly nice, that you both feel very invested and unequal. What is the hope or fear you have about the future together? About the future, you are scared that you don't want to get bitten. Very literally, you're very scared that you don't want to get bitten or get let down by your partner. You're feeling that maybe this relationship is too big for me to handle. You have fair share of your worries, but it is for the long term, and it is just something that run past your mind once in a while. It's also because, Aries, you're not talking. You should speak up and and tell whatever is going on. Some of you are cutting off. What is the hope or fear your partner has about you? He or she is willing to see how this relationship will grow, and he or she is not shy of taking risk. So it's quite possible your partner may feel that maybe this was a relationship which was very different than what they thought, but he or she is willing to take the risk. So very very open minded, and is willing to take as and how things come. So Aries, you could open up a bit more, and the overall the guidance will change or will improve. So what is the past you are coming from, Aries, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You have traveled a lot and you like to be on top of the things, or be going great with your communication. So you come from lot of energy of lot of self promotion, lot of impressing around people with your charm. So there is a vibe about you, and that's how very likely your partner got impressed with you. In the past, I'm seeing your partner is coming from a very well to do family as well, and a background. He or she was provided with everything, has a great polish. Your partner may be somebody from Ivy League, or may have studied overseas, because I'm seeing a lot of polish, lot of great mannerism, a very soft person that I'm seeing here, and amazingly well to do. So, how's the guidance for the love reading? One of you is finding this relationship little bit difficult to work with on a daily basis, and it's almost like you're feeling very tied down with responsibilities and all that you have to do. So but the good part is the things are continuing, you're not stopping. One of you, you're not stopping, and the union continues. But I see this energy change about maybe in 2 weeks time. So overall in 2 weeks time there will be something as a change that will come along. And this big no, where you're feeling this relationship is a little bit difficult, it could be you, Aries, or it could be your partner, because he or she feels that emotionally you both are not compatible. That energy will go away in about maybe about 10 days, 2 weeks time, and then things will all look up and things should improve. And right now I also see is a back of a man, so it's like you both are not addressing a lot of things, and that is coming mostly from you, Aries. So this is how the reading is for Aries, you and your love interest.